Hangzhou Topnovo Co Ltd. Started a small drinkware factory in 2017, manufacturing all kinds of drinkware products, international OEM and ODM service, developing and creating own brands, specialize in research and development, production and sales of stainless steel vacuum tumblers and bottle, keep improving, produce good quality products, equipped with experienced R&D team, and advanced development technology, tailored for high-end brand customers. The whole industry, provide professional and high-quality services, from design, R&D, to production finish. Keep up with fashion trends, meet different market needs, continuously pursue customer satisfaction. Hangzhou Topnovo, through continuous pioneering, exploration and innovation, improve automatic production and digital finishing technology, master advanced coating surface technology capabilities. We always pay great importance to quality control, with the comprehensive strength of the company. Own BSCI certification, also obtained many patents, actively participate in the formulation of industry standards, ranked among the top domestic industries. Hangzhou Topnovo, we provide successful products to maximum your profits.